The latest now on impeachment and the prospect of new hearings based on new evidence. Sources tell ABC News that an indicted associate of the president's personal attorney, Rudy Giuliani, has provided information to the Intelligence Committee, including audio and video recordings. Our senior White House correspondent Cecilia Vega has the details. Good morning, Cecilia.
George, good morning to you. Impeachment is very much on the fast track right now. Democrats are hoping to vote on articles of impeachment by the end of the year. But with this new evidence, it is crystal clear this investigation is far from over. This morning, Democrats pushing ahead with impeachment despite not having testimony from key witnesses like former National Security Advisor John Bolton and former White House counsel Don McGahn.
We're not willing to simply allow them to wait us out, to stall this proceeding when the facts are already overwhelming.
A federal judge expected to decide today whether McGahn must comply with a subpoena and testify. But Democrats say time is of the essence, and they're not willing to wait out a long court fight.
We're going to continue our investigation. We are going to continue to pursue
even after
the documents.
Handed in the report, you're going to continue?
Yes. Oh, yes. The investigation isn't going to end.
And now ABC News has learned the House Intelligence Committee has obtained audio and video recordings and photos of President Trump's personal attorney, Rudy Giuliani, and the president himself. It's unclear exactly what the images show, but they were given to investigators as part of a subpoena by Lev Parnas, one of Giuliani's recently indicted associates accused of campaign finance violations. Giuliani telling Fox News he's not at all worried that the president might expect him to take the fall.
I've seen things written like, he's going to throw me under the bus.
Right.
When they say that, I say, he isn't, but I have insurance.
Well, that insurance comment certainly raised a lot of eyebrows. Giuliani is now backtracking, saying that he was being sarcastic. Despite this huge controversy, Giuliani says he and President Trump are better friends than ever before. As close as ever, he says, George.
He may be backtracking, but that was at least the second time he's made that insurance comment. Meantime, there's also new evidence being developed out of the White House that the White House and OMB were actually scrambling to come up with a justification of that freeze on Ukraine military aid after the president's July 25th phone call.
Yeah, George, sources are telling us that there's an internal review happening here. White House looking into the origins of this controversy. As you said, it's now at the center of the impeachment probe. They've reportedly discovered these emails that show top aides here trying to justify this freeze on military aid to Ukraine well after the fact. So far, the focus is on Acting Chief of Staff Mick Mulvaney and the budget office here. Certainly, this is going to add some fuel to the fire for those congressional Democrats who've been demanding to see these records, but they're being stonewalled by the White House, George.
Yeah, the State Department as well. Okay, Cecilia, thanks very much. Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.